As a husband myself, I fully understand the concerns that you have if you ever have to leave your partner in a place where they could be vulnerable to being attacked or assaulted. We all know the statistics for rape and murder in the USA alone make horrific reading. But what can you do to equip them with a way to protect themselves when you're not around? Do they want to spend hundreds of hours in a martial arts school learning interesting, yes, but useless moves that could simply never work in a real-life self-defense scenario? We can show you a way to help them without A, having to attend your local martial arts school for years on end, B, not have to worry about getting fit enough to fight Mike Tyson, and C, not have to pay $250 a month to some millionaire martial arts school owner either.